Good morning, students. Last week we introduced agriculture and its importance. Today we go deeper into the branches of agriculture, studying each branch in detail. Understanding these branches helps you know exactly what areas of agriculture exist and how they relate to Nigeria's economy. By the end of this lesson you will be able to define and explain each branch of agriculture, give Nigerian examples for each, and explain the links between the branches. Branch 1, Crop Production, Agronomy/Plant Science. Definition: the branch of agriculture concerned with the cultivation of plants, crops, for food, fiber, fuel, and industrial raw materials. 2 subdivisions. A. Food crops, grown mainly for human consumption. Cereals, rice, maize, sorghum, millet, wheat. Roots and tubers, yam, cassava, cocoyam, sweet potato, Irish potato. Legumes, beans, cowpea, groundnut, soybean. Vegetables, tomato, pepper, okra, spinach, cabbage. Fruits, mango, orange, banana, pineapple, watermelon. B. Cash crops, export/industrial crops, grown mainly for commercial sale. Cocoa, Oyo, Ondo, Cross River, rubber, Edo, Delta. Cotton, Kano, Katsina, Zamfara, palm oil, Rivers, Edo, Cross River. Groundnut, Kano, Katsina, groundnut pyramid of northern Nigeria. Note: some crops are both food and cash crops, e.g., groundnut is eaten and exported. Branch 2, Animal Husbandry, Livestock Production. Definition: the branch of agriculture that deals with the domestication, breeding, feeding, and management of animals for their products and services. Types of livestock in Nigeria. Cattle, beef and dairy cattle, mainly in northern Nigeria, Fulani cattle herders. Products: beef, milk, hides, bone meal. Goat and sheep, common across all regions. Products: meat, chevon/mutton, milk, wool. Pigs, swine mainly in southeast and south-south Nigeria. Product: pork. Poultry, chickens, broilers/layers, turkeys, ducks. Products: eggs, meat. Rabbits, small-scale farming, fast-growing for meat. Grasscutters, cane rat increasingly farmed as bush meat alternative. Animal husbandry provides food, meat, milk, eggs. Raw materials, hides for leather, wool for textiles, feathers. Labor, oxen for plowing in some regions. Manure, for crop farms. Branch 3, Fishery/Aquaculture. Fishery equals capturing fish from rivers, lakes, seas, artisanal and commercial fishing. Aquaculture equals deliberate farming of fish and aquatic organisms in controlled ponds/tanks. Nigeria, major fishing in Lagos, Atlantic, Niger Delta, Lake Chad, River Niger/Benue. Catfish farming is the most common aquaculture in Nigeria, very profitable. Products: fresh fish, smoked fish, dried fish, stockfish. Branch 4, Horticulture. Definition: cultivation of garden plants, vegetables, fruits, flowers, and ornamentals. Subdivisions. Pomology, fruit growing, mango, citrus, banana. Olericulture, vegetable growing, tomato, pepper, cabbage. Floriculture, flower and ornamental plant growing. Horticulture is important for nutrition, beautification, and export, especially flowers. Branch 5, Forestry. Definition: management, conservation, and use of forest and forest resources. Nigeria's forest belt, southern Nigeria, tropical rainforest zone. Products: timber, iroko, mahogany, teak, fuelwood, bamboo, rattan, non-timber forest products. Environmental role: forest prevent erosion, regulate climate, protect watersheds. Deforestation is a major problem, forests are being lost to farming and urbanization. Branch 6, Agro processing. Definition: processing of raw agricultural produce into value-added products. Examples: cassava geri, fufu, starch, cassava flour. Palm fruits, palm oil, palm kernel oil. Cocoa beans, cocoa butter, cocoa powder, chocolate. Milk, cheese, yogurt, butter. Agroprocessing adds value, reduces waste, and creates manufacturing jobs. The branches of agriculture are linked, not separate. Crop production provides feed for animal husbandry and maize poultry feed. Animal husbandry provides manure for crop farms, cow dung organic fertilizer. Fishery provides fish meal used as animal feed. Horticulture provides fruits and vegetables for agroprocessing, tomato paste. Forestry provides shade trees on farms, agroforestry, and preserves water for fisheries. Agroprocessing adds value to all other branches' raw products. Modern integrated farming uses all these branches together for maximum efficiency. Example: a poultry farm that also grows maize for feed and uses droppings as fertilizer. For a vegetable garden, integrating branches 1, 2, and 4. Let us revise. Branch 1, crop production, food crops, cereals/legumes/tubers, and cash crops, cocoa/rubber/cotton/palm oil. Branch 2, animal husbandry, cattle, goat, sheep, pig, poultry, rabbit, grass cutter. Branch 3, fishery/aquaculture, fishing and deliberate fish farming, catfish most common in Nigeria. Branch 4, horticulture, pomology, fruit, olericulture, vegetables, floriculture, flowers. Branch 5, forestry, timber, fuelwood, environmental protection. Branch 6, agroprocessing, adds value to raw farm products, cassava geri, palm fruit oil. Linkages: branches support each other, crop waste becomes animal feed, manure fertilizes crops. For homework, for each branch, write 3 Nigerian examples of what is produced. Then describe a real farm in Nigeria that practices at least 2 branches.